think now would definitely be a good time to go out and see what flowers are blooming here on the homestead. Won't you join me? Let's check out what kind of flowers are blooming here in the mountains. One thing you always recognize is the doll eyes. They haven't gotten their white eyes yet, but they are getting there. You also have one of my favorites, which has always been referred to as the money plant. Superstition goes that there is money in this plant if you plant those seeds right there. However, I have yet to see any money, just floral beauty. And here is a garlic button that has gone to seed, which has apparently found its way up here through garden scraps. There are not many flowers blooming in the woods right now. However, there are a few, and they're quite beautiful. Unfortunately, a lot of the flowers have already showed their blossoms, including my peonies, but they'll be back next year. These tiger lilies are definitely getting ready to open up. You can even see the fuzz. What do we have here? I think this spider has found his dinner. Yes, he has definitely found his dinner. Well, this one over here is still waiting. Some of the roses are just starting to show their buds. However, I have one that has already reached full bloom. It has one bud here and this beauty beneath. And as you can see here, the 4 o'clocks are just starting to thrive. They will definitely be blooming soon. Here the daylilies are getting ready to bloom. These are going to be a dark pink color, which I actually have some blooming just down from these. And finally are the roses. There are several colors, including this pink, a lighter old-fashioned pink, and red. And you can't forget my favorite, the hen and chicks. Ever wondered why they were called hen and chicks? You have one large plant that has small ones that bloom off of them and make new ones. This is one of many of my favorites when it comes to succulents. Here is another variety that I love so much for its beautiful colors. And last but not least are these beautiful hollyhocks. They're getting ready to bloom. And here is an old-fashioned red rose. You can definitely tell the difference from the more modern. Just look at the center. And there you have it, a tour around the farmstead. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you on our next journey as we explore a journey through an Appalachian heart.